Welcome back to our channel. In today's short tutorial, we're going to show you how to create an upset plot for more than 6 datasets using SRPLOT. If you're working with multiple gene lists, microbial communities, or any complex biological data, an upset plot is a powerful alternative to traditional Venn diagrams, making it much easier to visualize shared and unique intersections across many datasets. So, let's get started and learn how to generate a clear, publication-quality upset plot with SRPLOT in just a few simple steps. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. To get started, create a free SRPLOT account and log in. Once you're signed in, you're ready to create your upset plot. Before getting started, you may take a look at the demo dataset to understand the required input format. Next, prepare your dataset in Excel format. Once your data are ready, copy the entire data table and paste it into SRPLOT using the Paste as Plain Text option. This allows SRPLOT to recognize and process your data directly for generating the upset plot. Before running the command, perform an input check to confirm that your data are correctly formatted and ready for analysis. You can adjust the display parameters according to your preferences to customize the appearance and improve the visualization of your upset plot. Once you are satisfied with the final visualization, you can download the figure for further analysis, editing, or inclusion in your presentations and publications. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.